Making sure that's on. Hope it's on. Yeah, it's on. Yeah, years ago, before we even moved here, I used to bring my metal detector and metal detect this area. I don't think I ever found any old coins though. But they put a lot of stuff in here since then. Since I've been coming here. I haven't been here probably in 10 years. We were here, one of the last times I was here with Billy and Berta. And he had his fishing license and he was fishing. I think he caught some fish too. I have some video of him.
They stock this?
Yeah, I think they stock it too. But they should have made it nice on that side too. That side used to be just, just the embankment. They put a wall all along there. Looks kind of new too. It's like they're still making it. It was always pretty much the same for many years. Now all of a sudden it's changed. Kind of. Still about the same. I don't remember this walkway so much. They might have had it. There's been some years though that they've actually had the water come up to these homes. And there would not even been a river here, but that years ago, 1800s, they actually converted the river to come through here. The channel is farther over, but it's made for a really nice park. It's a hell of a lot better than anything Artesia has. They've made it a lot nicer too. Nice going on that side sometimes. The only time I've been on that side, one time they have a kind of a walkway across over there by where they swim. I've been over that across there that time, and then another time there's a building over there. I was in a school for emergency medical dispatch for the job. I know if we lived here, I'd probably be able to get out. Well, this I can fly the quadcopter over. I wouldn't fly the plane. I could probably land right here. Some years they drained this completely. I've been down here where they've had it completely drained, and they're cleaning it up. I gotta get my YouTube video. Those are old trees, but I metal detected around those trees years ago. I never found any old coins. Been through this town. You've never been down here, huh? a golf course right over there. That's the only thing I remember before over there. They made it really nice over there too. I just don't know how you get over there very easily though. You get these things all over the place. I seen the last time I was here too. Donated. Rich people donated. Hey, 1927, 1994. Walter J. Girls or something. That's about. My dad was born in 1928. He lived a lot longer than my dad did, though. Yeah. Now this is basically the same as it was for many years. Even that, I remember that years ago. Wish I could have done it. Well, I had John, I think, pushing him. Maybe even Roy. Carlsbad first astronaut. I didn't know they had an astronaut. Drew Gaffney. Huh. He wasn't in one of those that blew up all the time. How much it cost to put one of those in?
That bad. It just helps.
Donation, but I mean, it's not like they got all the room in the world to put these things. Not if they're even allow it anymore.
It's like the park, Broadway and Bradley.
Yeah.
Trees in that park there is
I remember on Broadway they had the kind of a wall type curve that had in the wall people that died, I guess, in the war, different wars. As a kid, I remember that. VFW Park, or I don't know what it was called there. We lived on Blaine Avenue off of Broadway, and one year we were living over there. They closed the whole street down, and they had their.
You lived in that street by Bradley High.
Well, that was but this was off of Broadway. Between
you lived on a house close to Bradley High.
Yeah, I wasn't too far from there. They closed down the whole street for the longest direction, and they had fish fries, all kinds of stuff. It was like their 100-year jubilee or something like that. It was pretty exciting, I thought, when I was a kid. People everywhere doing whatever they did. Good. Wasn't that long ago. What, about in the early 60s? Mid 60s, I guess. They had that.
I left in
1960.
May of 60.
So they had a picnic table there. It's gone. Probably sat on that picnic table. Oh, it's gone. Dang it. wonder how far they keep their walkways going. Here. Yeah, this will be probably the end of it. The rest of it is town, the town up that way. I've been over there farther, but oh, so there's a video of some people walking on there. Matter of fact, there's a walkway across that railroad tracks. Yeah. Danger, no swimming, sharks. No, that's not a shark. What's that saying? Please.
Must be fish or something.
Please release me. So they don't want you to eat them, I'm sure, and they don't want you swimming either. Not in this part. They have a swimming part over there though, where all that construction is. Oh, here you go back.
Paddle.
What's that?
Paddle boats that they probably.
Yeah, I think they have. This is about where we were when Billy was fishing that day.
Looks nice and pretty, but beside you,
Yeah, it's a long building. You know, even, I mean, they got the rich homes along here, like that one there, but they got these regular homes there too. But I would bet you that the land is worth a lot of money here now. We're so close to the river.
right, taxes so they can
I imagine they get a lot of taxes. Just regular homes over here. Looks like they made this walkway not too long ago. We park. I think we walked that far.
I got 4,000.
You got what?
4,300 something steps
Oh, you're measuring on that thing?
this morning.
So are you over your limit for the day? Oh yeah?
For a day, I start off at 15,000.
Oh shit. Well then we should walk all the way to the other side of the river then. Somebody's still there.
You're walking fast.
Damn, we far.
Huh?
We must have went. I figured we went until I spotted our vehicle. Then somebody stole it.
Somebody stole the car.
I'd be unhappy to take my plane with it.
You have the car, you play.
know, I get my new camera. It's going to be even a smaller and lightweight camera. It's another 1080p like this one, but it's smaller and more lightweight. I just clip it on my on my hat. And wherever I look is what to be filmed. Many of those guys that film on YouTube, they're quads and planes. That's what they do. They clip it onto the hat, and then they, wherever they're looking, is they do a review on something. Show it on YouTube. There is a car. Well, if you want to get your walking, then we can go walk down to that. They got a neat train and a bunch of other stuff. I just didn't want to park over there because of all that construction. Shut this down. Especially if we go over there, I want to get more video. Nice day to do it. Only what, 75? Perfect day. God, can you imagine that house? Look at how big, long that is. That's got to be a beautiful house, isn't it? Not much of a yard, but beautiful house. That's been there since we moved here.
They just have to walk across the street. They got all kinds of yards. They don't have to cut the grass up. Walk across the street and they got all this big yard.
Yeah, I know. Watch out. Hope part of my video isn't messed up with my finger. Oh, you gave up already? There's a whole lot more that way. The best place is over there. Oh, this will help me wake you up.